Nelisiwe Sibiya has replaced Penny Ntuli on Kakasi FM after Kakasi had offered to pay Penny a salary of 2,800 as a radio presenter. Mind you, Penny has over 1 million followers. Penny refused this salary, consequently leaving a job, and a day later, hitmaker of Mama Gabafana and famous actress Nelisiwe Sibiya was announced as a replacement. Nelisiwe's new appointment did not overflow with congratulation wishes, rather skeptics, listeners and followers demanding to see a payslip. Will she also be earning 2,800 or more? If so, was this a ploy by Kakasi FM to get rid of Penny? This story reminds me of Amanda Black and Ambitious.